You didn't click anything, didn't download anything, didn't install anything. So how did malware end up on your device? Most people think getting hacked starts with a mistake, a bad link, a shady download, something you did wrong. But that idea is outdated, because sometimes just visiting a website is enough. It's like opening your front door because you ordered something and the attacker walks in with what you ordered. You didn't invite them in, but your trust let them in. Every time you open a website, your browser is constantly working behind the scenes, loading scripts, rendering images, processing code you never see. And this all happens instantly before you even realize the page loaded. Most of the time, that's harmless. But if there's a vulnerability, something your browser hasn't patched yet, that invisible code becomes an entry point. No click required. This is what's known as a zero-click exploit. And in many cases, this kind of attack is called a drive-by download because just visiting the page is enough. It's a memory exploit where the code breaks out of the browser's sandbox and tricks your device into treating it like a system command. And here's where it gets worse. You don't even have to visit a sketchy site. Sometimes the site itself isn't the problem, it's the tools it uses. Like a store that looks safe, but the payment machine was swapped out. So you could be on a completely normal page and still get hit. This is why outdated browsers, plugins, or operating systems are dangerous, because once a vulnerability is known, attackers start building exploits around it, and all they need is one thing, for you to show up before the patch closes the hole. An ad blocker is a shield, but an update is the armor. So the real issue isn't what you click, it's what your device is willing to automatically run without asking you. And the only thing standing between that code and your device is your browser. You don't need to be careless to get hacked anymore. You just need to be there. And every time you hit update later, you're gambling that the next website you visit isn't the one that finds it first.